Ever wonder how seemingly unknown online startups go from virtually nobodies to having thousands of raving customers practically overnight? You might be thinking it's because they have a huge advertising budget, massive teams, or they rank for competitive keywords. Well, fortunately for us, that's not the case. The truth is, these smart companies have figured out the 70% secret, and I'm about to reveal that to you. To flood your website with massive amounts of free, highly profitable traffic. Now keep watching, because I'm going to share with you how to implement the 70% secret in your own business and find the most profitable unknown keywords that your customers are searching for and are ready to buy. So what's the 70% secret? Well, if you guessed long-tail keywords, then you guessed correctly. And that's because long-tail keywords make up over 70% of all search engine traffic. That leaves a huge opportunity for you to put your products and services in front of an untapped flood of potential buyers. But it also leaves the ability for you to fail if you don't find the right keywords. Unfortunately, most keyword tools provide incomplete results and withhold valuable data that determine which keywords get people to buy. They also withhold important competitive data that could help you see chinks in your competitor's armor. And this is exactly why we developed a powerful yet simple keyword tool that not only is responsible for helping 70,000 marketers rank and generate traffic to their website, but also help find the most profitable long-tail keywords in just minutes. Now you can siphon massive amounts of targeted, profitable, and attainable traffic from the search engines with one solution. Introducing Longtail Pro. Longtail Pro was originally developed back in 2011 and has proven to be the go-to software for conducting powerful keyword and competitor research. Longtail Pro allows you to cherry-pick the most profitable long-tail keywords with ease. Here's what the brand new version of Longtail Pro looks like in action. Rapidly generate hundreds of suggested keyword ideas with seed keywords. Get custom recommendations for what level of keyword difficulty you should target by adding your domain. Perform deep competitive analysis with detailed domain and page metrics on every search result. Use the brand new Rank Value feature to understand keyword profitability based on how your website generates revenue. With the brand new version of Longtail Pro Cloud, you'll be able to save time, generate unlimited amounts of traffic to your site, make more revenue with targeted buyer keywords, have the ability to generate profitable content that makes you money time and time again, maximize user engagement with content that your users are searching for, and a whole lot more. With over 5 years and 70,000 users worth of feedback, Longtail Pro has evolved into the ultimate SEO research tool on the market. So why wait? Start your trial of Longtail Pro today.